Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Apple AirPods 4 and the highly praised AirPods Pro 2. Apple's promising that the AirPods 4 bring a fresh new design with even more comfort, improved sound, and active noise cancellation for the first time in this series. Meanwhile, the AirPods Pro 2 have already set the bar high with their incredible ANC, personalized spatial audio, and top-tier sound quality. Both models are loaded with features meant to elevate your listening experience. But what's the real difference between them? And more importantly, which one should you choose? Well, let's dive into detailed comparison of these two earbuds and see which one is best for your needs and style. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting off with the price, there's a pretty significant difference between these two models. The AirPods 4 are priced at $129 for the non-ANC version, and the ANC model costs you about $179. That makes them the cheapest AirPods you can get right now, with both models set to be available globally from September 20th. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 2 originally came in at $249, but you can often find them on sale, sometimes for under $200. And also some cool health features like hearing protection and hearing aids are coming to the Pro 2 via software updates in 2024. So, if we're talking purely about cost, the AirPods 4 are clearly the more budget-friendly choice. But when it comes to value, the Pro 2 might justify the higher price, especially with those future updates. Moving on to the design. The most obvious difference between these two models is the inclusion of ear tips. The AirPods Pro 2 feature swappable ear tips that come in 4 sizes, allowing you to find the perfect seal for comfort, sound quality, and effective noise cancellation. This makes a huge difference, not just for how secure they feel in your ears, but also for delivering deep bass and isolating external noise. On the other hand, the AirPods 4 stick with the classic ear tip-less design, similar to their predecessors. While Apple claims this makes for a more universal fit, but that hasn't always been the case. Some people find they just don't stay in place, or they're not as comfortable. Apple says they've refined the design of the AirPods 4 using advanced data from millions of ear shapes, but we'll have to wait and see how well that translates into real-world use. Both models are lightweight and come in the signature white finish, but when it comes to controls, the Pro 2 are ahead again. You can long press the stems to switch between ANC and transparency modes, and even swipe to adjust volume. The Pro 2's charging case also has a speaker for Find My Tones and a lanyard loop, while the AirPods 4 case is smaller and lacks those extras. Overall, the AirPods Pro 2 take the edge in this section for their superior fit, controls, and additional features. When it comes to the features, the AirPods Pro 2 have long been the frontrunners, powered by Apple's H2 chip, which improved sound, noise cancelling, and the battery life. But the AirPods 4 are now also equipped with the same H2 chip, so they're catching up in many areas. Both the base and ANC models of the AirPods 4 now support personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, which is great for immersive listening. But the AirPods Pro 2 still reigns supreme when it comes to noise cancelling. Apple claims that the ANC on the Pro 2 is twice as effective as previous models. And even though the AirPods 4 with ANC use the same chip, the Pro 2 still seems to have the edge. Plus, the Pro 2's adaptive audio and conversation awareness features are better suited for controlling noise in different environments. The AirPods 4 ANC model does inherit some of these pro-level features without ear tips. So, while the AirPods 4 brings some impressive features to the table, the AirPods Pro 2 remain the more feature-packed option for those who prioritize top-notch ANC. In this section, the Pro 2 win for their superior noise cancelling and more advanced audio features. Moving on to the sound quality, the AirPods Pro 2 really set a new benchmark for Apple's earbuds. The sound is dynamic, clear, and full of punch, thanks to their custom low distortion drivers and amplifiers. Everything from bass to vocals comes through with an impressive level of detail and balance. On the other hand, the AirPods 4 also promise to improved sound, with a new internal acoustic architecture and dynamic amplifier. Apple even calls them the best-sounding AirPods in this open-ear design. But without ear tips, it's going to be hard for the AirPods 4 to match the richness and depth of sound that the Pro 2 can deliver. Ear tips help create a seal that enhances bass response and overall sound quality. We'll have to test the AirPods 4 ourselves to see how they compare, but for now, the AirPods Pro 2 are the clear winners in terms of sound quality, especially with their superior bass and clarity. In the battery life department, both models offer up to 30 hours with the charging case, but there are some differences when we look at individual listening times. The AirPods Pro 2 give you 6 hours of playback on a single charge, while the AirPods 4 manage 5 hours, or just 4 hours if you're using the ANC model with noise cancellation turned on. That means you'll need to charge the AirPods 4 a bit more frequently, especially if you're using the ANC feature. Both models run on Bluetooth 5.3 version, so connectivity should be equally strong, but the Pro 2's slightly longer battery life gives them a small advantage here. So if battery life is important to you, the AirPods Pro 2 edge out the AirPods 4 by offering that extra hour of listening time. As for my conclusion, if you're looking for the best overall experience in Apple's earbud lineup, the AirPods Pro 2 still come out on top. They offer better sound, more advanced noise cancellation, and a few extra design and feature perks that justify the higher price tag. But the AirPods 4's ANC model present a solid alternative for those who want to spend less, but still get good performance and features. If Apple's promise of better comfort and fit with the new AirPods 4 holds true, these could become a strong contender for more casual listeners who don't need all the bells and whistles of the Pro 2. But for now, the AirPods Pro 2 remain the top choice for serious listeners. Stay tuned for our full review once we get our hands on the AirPods 4.